Hello everybody, my name is Aisling and I work here in Offaly Libraries. Today I'm going to tell you another nursery rhyme and it's called Two Little Dickie Birds. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Would you like to do it again? Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, and fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Oh, I love that nursery rhyme and I really hope you liked it too. Bye!